welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary. Here's the same packaging as usual. So as you can see, it's the wig first, but before we get into that, I got a bonnet, I got a robe, and I got a bunch of goodies as usual. Very professional and clean packaging. Inside the drawstring bag, I got this comb, I got some extra lace tips, a wig cap, a melting band, and some cluster lashes. Now this is today's wig. This is a full 13 by 6 HD lace front wig, a tiny knots highlighted curly lace front wig. And when I say full 13 by 6, that means it's 13 by 6 from ear to ear, so you're working with a lot of space. It also has a drawstring, as you can see, and it's a well constructed wig. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything for you. All you need to do is go ahead and do and slip this on. As you can see, it came with the tapes already on the side, so all you need to do is remove that. It is a glueless wig, so you don't have to feel pressure to glue this down. Of course, you have the option to do it if you want, but ultimately this wig is super effortless and convenient to install, perfect for the beginners. So I went ahead and I removed the blue parts to the tape, and I just used the melting band to further kind of let it have that melted vibe and have it looking more seamless. So I went ahead and I adjusted the drawstring in the back, which is very easy. You want to tighten the bigger knob and then you kind of lock that in with the smaller knob, and then I took away the excess string, and this right here is what makes the install super secure and it's not gonna slip. Okay, now this is what the lace looks like. It's so perfectly pre-plucked and just natural looking. Now this is a parting space. It has a lot of parting space, so you can feel free to go ahead and part it wherever you please in the front. Of course, you know, if you want to do a zigzag parting, you want to explore a bunch of different styles, you can definitely achieve that with this wig. Look at the volume. All the specifications will be listed in the description box as well, so please go ahead and double check that. So I started out with the first style, of course, and I'm just gonna give you guys some different hairstyle options which are really easy to achieve. Anybody can do these. You do not need to go to a salon to get it done. I left these two pieces out in the front. I don't know, something about leaving two pieces out in the front. I always love doing it, and I went ahead and did like 2 ponytails, and that was it.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Then I decided that I wanted to go in, and you could literally just make buttons with those if that's the vibe that you're going for. Very easy, very to the point.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Then I said, you know what, let me go ahead and explore a updo. Yes, a updo, because it is a drawstring wig construction. It's like you could still get away with this. As you can see, I'm pulling down the back so it's not too noticeable, and that's it. It's still very much glueless and secure on my head, and it looks so realistic. And might we add, no edges needed. Yeah, this lace is tea. And then I went ahead and pulled that out, and this is giving this big voluminous, yes, is just gorgeous. Love this look. So this is a nice effortless flip over vibe. Yeah, it's giving fun weekend, it's giving concert vibe, it's giving clubbing. Listen, you could rock this look wherever you please. Love. As you can see, I was definitely feeling it. Now I went ahead and I did that, you know, middle part bust down vibe. So I just got my lace my wax, I should say, and my hot comb to just lay the top a little bit more and give it that very nice sleek flat middle part look. That was it though. That was it. Nothing else to it. And I rocked, if you want to go ahead and like rock that big hair vibe, you could like run your fingers through the hair even more to get that look. What I will say, there was shedding. There definitely was shedding, so that is something to note. A little bit more than I would like. The color job is really pretty though. Love the color job. The hair is of course processed, as you can see, so it is on the coarser side. So after that, I decided that, you know what, I wanted to tame the parts that I run my hands through a little bit. So I just took only water to kind of redefine those portions that I ran my fingers through. And that's it. I didn't want to do a full like wet look. I still was enjoying the volume, so that's all I did here. But that's pretty much it for today's wig look. This wig is perfect for the spring and summer. Love the color job. Yeah, it's also 24 inches long, if I didn't mention that initially. As I said, all the specifications will be listed down below, and the direct link to this wig. Shout out to Ashimary for today's bomb glueless wig. It's so nice, and I love what they did with the lace specifically. Makes it really easy to explore a bunch of different hairstyles. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. If you guys like it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. As I say, if you are interested in this wig, you can find all the information in my description box. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.